Hello, it's me Shruti, and how are you guys? I hope you all are doing great in your life. So I just felt bored at home, so that's why I'm just head out of my home, guys, with this book with me, and I'm going to read here. And this is like a garden in my hometown. So after entering in garden, there is a place of birds. Look at, and they are saying hi to you guys. Say hi to them. Hi. So the area looks like this, and this is the name of the garden, Amrai. And besides that, there is a temple, Hanumanji temple. So I will show you this garden in another day, guys. Now let me show you where I'm going to read. So this is the place where I'm going to read, guys, Khule Vachanalay, and it means like open library. So let's head out there. This is so nice, right? So green and beautiful. Look, guys, trees everywhere. And no one is here. It's a bonus point, right? So yeah, we are going to read here. So guys, I'm going to read this book here, The Art of Being Alone by Renuka Gaurani. And there is my name. And guys, I just brought this book like 1 month ago, but I didn't give it a try, guys, for a read. I don't know why, but I am a heavy reader, guys. I just read 2 to 3 books at the same time, and I just want to read this book. And always with this book like this, like I just take this book, read one page, and leave it behind, and then again take this book, read 1 or 2 pages, and again I just leave this book. And yeah, I think this is the perfect time for read this book with this perfect and beautiful environment, guys. So yeah. So guys, I have just completed reading of 30 pages of this book, and this book is contains like 127 pages, guys, and I have already decided that I'm going to read at least 50 pages here, guys. So yeah, let's read again 20 pages. But before that, I just felt hungry, guys, right now, so I brought these on my way here, guys, and this is my favorite choco pie, and this is the paper boat. So yeah, I'm going to eat this first and then again read, guys. So guys, I done reading 50 pages of this book and I felt so good in this environment, guys. I cannot tell you in words because I just feel that feeling. And yeah, this is it for today. And I have already told you that the Art of Being Alone book is all about loving yourself and choosing yourself all over other people's, guys. And yeah, if you already read that book, just tell me what are your thoughts about that book in the comment section, guys. And this is it for today. I hope you like this vlog, guys. And if you like this, just like, share and subscribe for more content, guys. And I'm going to meet you in another vlog very soon. And yeah, let's meet in another vlog, guys. Bye bye, take care.